This is our presentation of the MarioBot for our ME210 final project. The outline of this presentation includes the project overview, materials, the flowchart, schematic and circuit diagram, difficulties and solutions, and the conclusion with our video. The project overview. We first assembled our robots. Then we coded a way for our robot to follow a track, detect obstacles, and detect colors all at the same time. And then we had to design and build the track for our robot to complete. Next, our materials. We had the wheels and body of the robot, the Arduino Uno, the expansion board, the L298N motor driving board, 4 DC speed motors, 3 line tracking modules, 3 ultrasonic wave modules, USB-A, USB-B cable, and then we had the color sensor with extra wires and black and colored tape. Here's our circuit diagram. We basically just had the Lego robot kit, and then we added the extra color sensor to our Arduino, and then we had the line tracking module and then the servo sensor as well. Here's our flow chart. Basically, when our robot starts, it's looking for the color blue, and if it sees the color blue, it's gonna move forward and then spin. If there is not a color, then it's gonna check for an obstacle within 20 centimeters, and if there is one, it's gonna turn right and move around it. With the servo sensor, it's going to check how long the obstacle is there for, and once it doesn't sense the obstacle anymore, then it's going to turn around again. And once it's on the back side of the obstacle, we're going to slow the motor down, and it's going to check for the line with the line tracking module, and once it's on the line, it's going to basically see on the left and right side of it if it needs to turn slightly or not, and that's just going to loop around. The difficulties and solutions. At first we were trying to use trigonometry calculations, but they were too difficult to implement in our code, so we decided to just leave those out. And originally we were going to use both of our robots, but the servo sensor wasn't working properly on one, so we decided just to focus on one robot. And when we first added the color sensor, we coded it, and then as we were testing it, we found out that it was super sensitive to all the different colors we wanted to use. We were going to use 3 colors originally, and it was getting confused. I think it depended on the different lighting, but we ended up just using one color. It sensed blue super well, so we just focused on that one. Here's our video. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.